Take command of the road in the 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Hyundai are offered, including one-touch window functionality, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a blind spot monitoring system, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 6. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.